Ritika. I'm studying in UKG. My school name St.Antony Milla. I'm telling a small story. The story name A bird tried, a frog, a chick, a mouse, an ant, and a ladybug. We are friends. Can you swim? The frog asked their friends. They said no sadly. The frog laughed, jumped into the water. Another friends also wanted to play in the water. They made a plan. They worked together, made a boat with a leaf, shell, wood, straw, and thread. They set to the boat on the water and boarded it. The frog was surprised to see them enjoy the boat ride.